right, there's Nick. There's Nick right there. Hello, hello. Hello. Guys, we got Pearl back, guys. We got Pearl back. What a difference. It's running good. The AC's on. But yeah, everything's running good, running good. Yeah, we got old Pearl back. We have old Pearl back. Hello, Pearl. But everything is good. We're taking rental back to the airport and then getting back and then driving another couple hours to get back to our destination. But we're back on track. We finally got her back. Now we have to work on trying to get our refund due to you know, should be able to pay it back. The refund on the rental. So fingers crossed on that. But everything else, A-okay so far. Say goodbye to the rental that saved our lives out in the middle of the California desert. Here at the airport that we had to rent from. Nick's getting all the stuff out of there and stuff. Make sure that the truck looks good. All that came with it. You get a rental car and it comes with that. And then it comes with dents, marks on the side. And it comes with all these markings. But hey, it made it through what we had to use it for. And then let's get to Pearl. All right, Nick, I'm going to the Pearl. Gotta love it. And then here's our beast. Welcome back home, you blinking turd. You were bad to us. You almost gave us your all, but couldn't make it. The Pearl could not have made it. Needs a bath for sure. And then we buy this truck and then we realize that the tires are old. But we're gonna put a inch lift on it and put new tires on. But we're safely back with the Pearl and headed to work we go. I don't know if you guys caught it, but I did say that I found a job working at a camp, and Nick will be working a manager position, not at the camp, because she makes more money off the camp. So I got myself a job where we're gonna stay. Nick got a managing position at a job in town. So everything's looking good. Everything's looking right. Now we just got to make the funds and save up to get back on the road again. But we're in California, so we're gonna be visiting everything in California. We're gonna be visiting all around the states around California. I know it's gonna take a little bit of time, but we're going to do it. So stay posted. And like I said, we're doing 2 lives a week and at least 1 good member video a week. So stay tuned. We still have our lives coming up. Talk about Route 66. Damn, they coming in ripping. Man, they take a rental car, they come in pieces, baby. They come in pieces. Man, that's funny right there. But anyways, like I said, we're gonna do our raffle. It's $20 a ticket, guys. $20 a ticket to win a prize of a basket fully loaded with memorabilia stuff over $150. I'm going to say more than $150 worth of souvenirs of Route 66, all the stuff that we found on Route 66. So you buy a ticket. The truck's already been rented? So, where's he going?
To give it to a customer.
Oh, it's already rented out?
Yeah.
Wow, that truck's already gone. Already gone. See you later.
He walked out there, he's like, I have a Chevy Silverado.
So anyhow, it's if you're tier 1 membership, you get 2 free tickets when you buy one. Tier 2, you get 3 free tickets when you buy one. And if you're a member on Wykoffs Adventures, you get 4 free tickets when you buy one. So guys, you get so many more chances when you become a member. So become a member, get more chances to win. Oh, they're going to detail it.
Yeah, because they rented it.
Yep, they went to go rent it. They're going to go detail and stuff like that. They didn't detail it when we got it.
No, they sure didn't.
Sure didn't. Sure did not.
Sure as shit did.
But anyhow, it's just crazy. But thank God we rented it online, or we redid another day.
Yeah, so I need to go in there and ask Enterprise they probably won't do it. So write me a thing saying they don't have many trucks.
Yeah, that's what I would do. I would walk in there and ask Enterprise that.
We have to pull around.
Or you go in Enterprise and you do a video, and you show no,
Yes.
and you show no trucks on the lot. I mean, simple as that. But anyhow, yeah, because GM is saying that we had to go through Enterprise to get reimbursed on our rental, but we needed a truck to tow the camper to our destination, and the only place that had a truck was Budget. So I think GM needs to pay up no matter what, or where they go to, or wherever we go to. Rentals should be covered. We just bought this truck. I mean, everything should be paid. Luckily, there was no bill at all at GMC. We didn't have to pay for the fixing, the oil change, the cooling system, the belt, none of that. The labor, none of that. The rotation on the tires, the certified check again. I don't even think they do much on that check. But whatever, it is what it is. But we got her back, and I really hope to see you guys on the live coming up. What's today? Saturday. Gotta work tomorrow. My first day tomorrow. So that's gonna be what's up. So let's do, I can't do, because our hours are totally different, guys. Our hours are totally different. Like right now, it's 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. And we are 3 hours behind the normal folks, okay? So right now it's 12, so it's most probably 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock your time. So I would have to do a live around 1 o'clock for it to show around 5. Hey Nick, you can walk in there. Why can't you? Huh? Has what? You can walk in there. But anyway, so you know what? I think I'm off Monday and Tuesday. Nick will be most probably working, but we'll see. I don't know. I don't know her schedule yet. But I know I'm going to be off Monday and Tuesdays. I should have been, working for the past, 3 days, but we've been dealing with this mumba jumba. But first day tomorrow, Sunday, I'll be working, and then off Monday, Tuesday. Something like this. This is how I'm going to explain it. So basically saying, I work for the week. I'm off Monday, Tuesday. So then we haul ass to go do something. We're only about like 5 hours away from something. It's like from going from Tampa to Orlando, Tampa to the Keys. We're going to travel, in the California area. So we're going to bump it up. You know what I mean? And if we have to fly to give you other states, we'll do it. You know, hopefully we're just gonna have to save a little bit more to do that, because I want to give you guys adventures. This is Wykoffs Adventures, and we just did one of the major adventures of this channel. I know we'll most likely never beat that, but I honestly want to beat that. So we're gonna go to destinations that are gonna be off the chain. I'm gonna do everything I possibly can to go live at these destinations, but if not, they will be videotaped or recordings. But guys, I'm telling you, it's going to be popping. I cannot wait. Thank you to everyone that is subscribed so far. But like I said, the days that we're gonna be off, or the days that we have off, we're gonna be out traveling, okay? But it's gonna take a little bit of time to save up money to get out and to do that. YouTube don't pay well, and you guys keep saying, oh, members, they pay so much, da, da, da. No, guys, because YouTube takes 40%. So it's not like I'm making a fortune. But if more more people come on, then yes, I can take the funds that I get from membership and from the views and things like that and put it in a pot. Then I can go ahead and use that pot for our destinations, you know what I mean? And go to our destinations faster. Because, you know, we work hourly, we get paid hourly, so it's going to just take a little bit longer. But hey, we're going to do it, but we're still going to do our lives, 2 lives a week, sit down, talk, hang out, BS, or maybe find some little small thing around to do during the week while we're work, or while I'm off or whatnot, until we get up to the amounts that we need to get to the places that we want to go to. But guys, it's going to go down. We finally got our Pearl back. We're not going to be traveling with our trailer, so it's going to be the Pearl and us and you guys. So there's going to be no overheating. And I think what we're going to do is, Nick, I think, has learned her lesson of piling up the trailer, the truck. I think when we travel next time, we're going to take everything out. Everything that we do not need or don't have to have, we're taking it out. So the everything will be lighter, no more. Or what we could do is just travel during the winter time when it's cold out. Maybe that's a thing, right? But then we're going to be fighting snow, right? Oh man, well, it's going to be an adventure all in itself. Guys, God bless all of you. Stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video that comes out, and definitely the next live. The next live, you know what, I'm going to do it Monday. Let's shoot for Monday. That's going to be our first live, and that's going to be the trailer weight guess. So get your guesses ready. It's going to be only 2 guesses. Those 2 guesses have to add up to the max trailer weight of the whole thing. If you get, and you cannot go over. You can guess and you can go under, whatever's the closest, but you cannot go over. Whoever's the closest gets $20 cash and memorabilia. Wykoffs Adventures memorabilia. You get yourself a shirt as well. So guys, cannot wait till that comes up. So we're going to do that on Monday. So see you guys on the live on Monday. It's going to say 1 o'clock my time. So it'll most probably be 5. Let's do 6:30 your guys' time. So God bless you. See you on the live.